Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add a view-only wallet in Trust Wallet, a great feature that lets you monitor any wallet's balance and transactions without being able to spend from it. Let's get started. First, you want to open the Trust Wallet app on your phone, and on the home screen, you'll see different features like send, swap, buy and sell along with your tokens, but today we'll focus on adding a view-only or watch-only wallet. At the top center of your screen, you want to tap the wallet icon or the name of the wallet, this one. This will take you to your wallet management page where you can view or add new wallets. Then what you want to do is you want to add wallet. From here, choose add existing wallet. Now you'll see several options, but you want to choose view only wallet, this one. Now this feature lets you see transactions and balances from another wallet without any control over the funds. Perfect for monitoring. On the next screen, you'll see a list of supported blockchain networks. Just scroll through or use the search bar to find BNB Beacon Chain, which is a common network option. And once you find it, just go ahead and tap on it. Now it's time to enter the wallet address you want to monitor. Just paste the wallet address into the field provided. Make sure it's accurate, then tap confirm. And that's it. You've successfully added a view-only wallet in Trust Wallet. You can now track transactions and balances for that address safely and easily without any risk of losing any funds. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!